Hello students, how are you? I think you all will be quite well. Today I am here to take your maths class. So I will start with a topic of algebra. So we will learn about algebraic term. First of all, we will introduce what is an algebraic term. Algebraic term means an unknown quantity. Or term about which we don't know what is there, how many students are there in the class. If you are asked how many students are there in the class and you don't know what number of students are there in the class, then what will you say? You will say, I don't know, sir. If you don't know, it means it is unknown. How many chalks are there in my fist? If you don't know, you will say it is unknown to me. If it is unknown to me, in algebra it is called algebraic term or quantity. For example, if I write x 2x minus 3x 1 by 3x square 4 by 5xy, all of these are different algebraic terms. It is x, it is 2x, it is minus 3x, it is 1 by 3x square, it is 4 by 5xy. All are algebraic terms. What the value x has? We don't know the value of x. We don't know the value of x square. We don't have the value of xy. That is why these all are unknown quantity and these are algebraic terms. It is x here. So it is 1 here, it is 1 here. So this is called coefficient. Here coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of x in this case is 2. It is coefficient. Coefficient of x here minus 3. Coefficient of x square 1 by 3. Coefficient of xy 4 by 5. C for coefficient. These are the coefficient of algebraic term which is an unknown quantity. Now we will study about like terms and unlike terms. Like means of the same nature, of the same kind. These are like terms. So here like terms, we will give some example of like terms. If I write here 3x, 4x, 2x, minus x. All of these are like terms. 4y, 2 by 3y, minus 1 by 3y, y. All of these are like terms because all have the common variable y. The unknown quantity is also called variable. Variable means which varies. Which varies means which changes. Which changes, the value of which changes is variable. So variable in this group is x. It is same. So all of these are like terms. Variable of all in these terms, commonly it is y. So the variable is y. So all of these are like terms. All of these are like terms. Now we are talking about unlike terms. On the same way, unlike terms means having the different variables, having the unidentical variables. For example, 1 by 3 xy, 2 by 3 yz minus 1 by 3 zx. You can note. What can you note? You can note that among all of these three, the variables are different. Here it is xy, here it is yz, here it is zx. But the coefficients are different, variables are different, all of these terms are unlike. It is unlike to this is unlike to this, all of unlike, but all of the same kind, unlike. One more bunch of examples we take. X square, x minus x cube 1 by 3x minus 2 by 3. Here we can identify which are like, which are unlike. So you can note x square and no other term is x square. So no one term is there like to x square. It is 1. It is x, it is x, it is x. These three are like. It is x cube, it is x cube. These two are like. These two are like, having same x and the power 3. These three are unlike, because power is 1. But this is unlike to this. This is unlike to this. Now you will do a simple exercise. I will give you tomorrow a simple exercise. Now I am going to end this topic here. Tomorrow we will discuss some more. Thank you very much.